get it and ditch the jewel. Get this instead because it's good for you.
I try to write a song, but I think of you in my world.
Hello guys, it is Maddie and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Those of you who are new, if you want, you should totally subscribe. So I'm super excited to be doing the video that I'm doing right now. I want to give a huge shout out to Monk for sending me their product to review. I'm obsessed with essential oils. I'm always diffusing them in my diffuser that my sister got me, and I just love the way they make me feel. They're just super relaxing, super calming. I just love essential oils. So whenever I saw this product, I've been seeing it throughout my feed a lot. I've even been seeing it on Instagram. Other people have been doing YouTube reviews, and I've just been really tempted to try it. So Monk sent me this. I'm going to be opening now. Okay, these smell amazing. Oh my god, I'm kind of nervous to try these honestly because I don't vape, so I don't really know what to expect. But oh, these are so cute. This is so nice. Okay, so as I'm looking through, I'm noticing that there's no ingredients, and kind of worries me a bit because I just like to know like what's going in my system. And as these do smell absolutely amazing, I just want to make sure that I'm like, you know, putting in what I know I'm putting into my system. I'm going to whip out my computer here and see what I could find about these. So they sent me Cheer, Sexy, and Forest. I'm not sure what each of these do, so I'm assuming it says it on their website. These smell so good. I hope these taste the way they smell because this is just insane. I'm gonna be so healthy. Sexy this is insane. I will put up what I found. So it has jasmine, lime, and patchouli. So jasmine has been used for thousands of years to inspire a relaxed mindset, behavioral arousal, and alertness, which means it can promote sensual confidence. Sensual confidence, that's insane. So it makes you feel good about yourself. Has lime in it, keep the body alert and awake. Lime is also said to restore tired muscles, reduce pain. Nice. And then patchouli. It's widely associated with stress relief, relaxation. Okay. Also includes allspice, caraway, cinnamon leaf, lavender, lemon, blah blah blah. Okay, well I think it's pretty trustworthy. Oh my god, here it is. Do I just breathe it in? Wow. Holy shit. This tastes insane. Guys, I'm like so relaxed. I'm not even just saying that. This is amazing. I'm shook. As I was editing and looking at other videos, I noticed that I wasn't even doing it right. The correct way to use these is to breathe it out of your nose. Just a little quick disclaimer before you see me completely do these wrong. This honestly tastes so good. I like don't want to stop. This doesn't have like nicotine in it, right? Let's see if this has nicotine because that will be a problem. This is insane, guys. Monk is not an e-cigarette because it does not contain nicotine, and Monk is inherently safer than most other vapors because it does not contain artificial flavors because it is organic vegetable glycerin made from plant oils. To describe like my emotion after having this, you know, like when your lights are off and you have like a little dim, or you have like twinkle lights and you have an essential oil diffuser and it just like that's this. I'm so excited now. So next we are going to do Forest. And what is in this? Black spruce, reducing inflammation, reducing stress. Douglas fir, cleanse and purify the skin. So this will get rid of my zits, basically. Opens airways for deeper breathing. And sandalwood, which is for wellness and peace. Oh, I like the color of this. This is like, it's like kind of sparkly. You see it's like sparkling? Probably not. This one kind of sparkly too. Oh, that smells like really Christmassy. Okay, so what else is in this? All plants. Okay. This tastes like Christmas. Like honestly, this tastes like Christmas. Definitely like Sexy better than this because Sexy, it tastes a lot better. This does not taste bad. It tastes like wintry and like pine and minty. So it tastes very good. Definitely calming. I feel like in touch with myself. You know, I just feel like at peace and I feel like stress-free. Like there's nothing stressful going on in my life, which is not true at all. Definitely not true. I need to fix my posture. I'm slouching so bad. Forest definitely is like its name. It tastes like a forest because as you could see, the ingredients are from a forest, so that's why it tastes like the forest, I guess. But at least you know, like, it tastes like what's in it, you know. You know they're not bullshitting. Last but not least, this one looks pretty. This one is called Cheer. I love the way these pop off too. Like they literally just come off. Super easy. So Cheer. Oh, I really like the way this one looks. This looks really pretty. It's gold. It's almost like a gold and like copper mix. Okay, so what is in this is frankincense. Frankincense has been used for blah blah blah, wake the spirit and balance the mind. It allows for deeper breaths that increase mental awareness. That's insane. It also has Palo Santo probably, right? Wild tree from Latin America, used for crafting objects to produce burning sticks and incense. Ooh, that smells amazing. And sweet myrrh. Sweetly woody, balsamic distillate. Stress, depression, minor pain, inflammation, skin issues, respiratory complaints. Wow. Now it makes sense on how many people that are living in these like indigenous areas and are from like Ecuador and these types of origins, they like never get sick and they just use like natural herbs. Really short, I was in this class and there was this girl in that class that was from Belize. For her final speech, she did a speech on medications, like what she used as medicine in Belize, and she still uses them because she says that they work better than like medicine here, and they were legit trees. So it kind of like is amazing what these trees can do for our souls. I'm getting so this is called Cheer. That popped in my mouth. Ooh, that tastes like peppermint. I like this one. This is very good. This is my favorite, 100%. It's really minty and it feels like I have a mint in my mouth. Like that's the feeling I have on my tongue. It feels like I just brushed my teeth. The air is very minty. I feel like this could make your breath smell really good. As I feel super relaxed and super in touch with myself, I'm very calm right now. And I'm kind of freaking out because I'm so calm and happy and peaceful. Okay, overall, these are insane. And rating from my favorite to least favorite out of Sexy, Cheer, and Forest. Forest is my least favorite. Sexy is my second favorite. Cheer is my favorite. For emotion wise, I'll probably like Sexy more. Cheer second, Forest last. I just want to give a huge thank you to Monk for sending me these, and this was like the best product I've ever reviewed, straight up. Like, there have been products that I've gotten that were good, but I kind of had to like pretend that they were good for the video. These are actually like something I would buy. I never got into juuling. Thankfully, I did try it like once, and it's a lot like, I think it's a lot like cheer. I could just be weird because I don't juul and I don't do nicotine, but like maybe if you juul and you're trying to stop juuling, try cheer. I like telling you, it's probably the same exact effect, but better, because instead of feeling like a nicotine high, you're feeling like a calm, in touch with yourself, happy feeling. Maybe that's what you get from nicotine. I don't know. Get it and ditch the juul. Get this instead because it's good for you. These are amazing. You need to try these out. I'm obsessed and I just feel so great right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. And please, if you're already subscribed, totally turn on the bell, turn on notifications so you know whenever I post. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Now when I write a song, I think of you and my words get strong. It's not alright, 'cause you're not with me